this is Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 9 of the 10,000 Trades Show. This show is all about mastering trading and creating excellence through deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trade setups. In this episode, we will look at a range-bound market. Last time we looked at a momentum trading strategy. But what happens when the markets are not trending? What happens when they're consolidating and just going sideways? This is a trade setup that we use to identify these market conditions and trade them profitably. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a range-bound market looks like and how do we enter a trade based on this strategy and how do we take profits out of the market.
As we can see here, this is Euro US dollar daily chart. We had the price here was trading in this range for quite some time. Since the end of March here, the price had held this range. As you can see, every time the price goes to the top of the range here, it drops, and every time it comes to the bottom of the range, it pushes back up. So in this type of a strategy, when the market is range bound like this, you're looking to buy every time the price comes into the bottom, you're looking to buy. So basically you would mark your resistance line up top, you would draw the resistance line up top, and at the bottom you will draw your support line. So every time price comes to the bottom, buy it with the stop loss would go underneath the previous low right here, and you would buy. And when the price goes to the top, you will place your stop loss above here or even above the swing high here, so that you have a little bit of a room in your trade for your trade to breathe, and then you would sell this. So you're looking to sell at the top and you're looking to buy at the bottom. So now let's go take a look at the daily chart here. As you can see, every time the price came here, it got pushed back up, and every time it went to the top, it got pushed back down. And another thing that we notice in a range-bound market is that the price tends to go between R1 and S1. So this is a pivot point trading strategy here as well. So in a range-bound market, generally the price is not able to break that range. It just goes back and forth between R1 and S1. So R1 is your first resistance level. So you could look for your R1 and look to sell there. And every time price comes to S1, you can buy here, which would be the lower part of the range. And as you can see, the price has just gone sideways all this time. And now finally what happens over here is finally the price starts to break down. As you can see, it starts to go down here. And this is exactly what we were looking for yesterday. So when we look at our daily candle from previous day, from yesterday, we saw a nice rejection, a big stop run to the top here, and the price then came back and closed back within the range. Now this is a good indication that the price will at least go and test the bottom of the range, and then we would be looking for the price to break out through that range. And as we can see here, price just came down and then finally broke through and went to back test the range. So here it tried to go back up again, came into the previous resistance here and dropped from there and went right into our support level. So this is how you would trade a range-bound market. Basically, you are just looking for resistance. You're looking to sell at the resistance level, so you would draw your resistance line up top, and then you would draw your support line at the bottom, and every time the price gets close to this support line, you're looking to buy. So there were multiple chances to buy, especially if you're looking for this S level as S1 pivot point level. You can buy at S1 and you can sell at R1, or every time price gets to the top of the range. So this is a quick, simple, range-bound trading strategy. Hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you enjoyed that trade setup. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so that you get the latest episode for the show. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.